hate when people go, wow. Ooh, ah.
Walk. Walk. Yeah. Just keep on walking. I see you, like way over there. I see you. Yeah, like very tinily. Did you just like cross the street? Yeah. Cause I'm way down here. I just saw you because I saw you walking down the sidewalk, and nobody's like on the sidewalk right now. All right, just keep on walking. Do you want me to come find you? Do you want me to come find you? Alright, go right next to the railing. The railing. Yeah.
By the lake.
By the lake. Just go to the railing.
And tell them to keep walking down it.
Keep walking down.
Follow it like the yellow brick road. God damn.
Okay.
That was badass.
I don't see. Okay.
He's probably on the railing on the other side.
Okay. Where the I don't even see you. You should be right next to the fucking railing.
Gosh.
On the side of the lake.
On the side of the lake, right by the road where the shooting off fireworks at. You should be right there. Oh my fucking god. Don't go in the middle. Alright. Okay, I see you. Just keep on walking down. Yeah. Okay.
Ow.
Yeah. Yep. Bye.
Rasta!
Oh my god, that's bad. Rasta! That's so badass.
Yes!
You can see black on here. You've seen black on this. So it even looked more Rasta.
Oh my god! They had Rasta fireworks! Yes!
I want the finale to start already. Jesus. Do they have 4th of July fireworks?
No, these are fireworks. More Rasta! Yes!
Look at it on here.
Oh, that's so pretty. What? Holy shit. Boat's on fire.
I know, it burnt, it like sunk a couple years ago because it was so much on fire.
Oh my god.
Did you find him?
Did you get him?
Yep. God, I swear to fucking god, he cannot follow directions or shit.
If you got him, where is he?
Right there.
He's right there with her parents.
Oh. I see.
I'm taking a video.
What?
You're taking a video?
Yes. And I have you yelling at him on the phone. And then in the first one, that's like 20 seconds, I hear you talking about smoking a bowl.
Really?
Yeah.
I want to go smoke a bowl.
Huh?
God.
Hey.
Damn.
Hey.
Holy shit, was that cool? That was so cool.
That was really cool. Long enough!
Pow! Like, bam!
Dude, I'm taking a shower when I get home. I'm fucking cold.
I'm gonna go take a bath.
I took a bath last night and then I didn't do anything. I was too cold.
I'm gonna go cuddle.
Oh, shut up.
I win.
Shut up. I wish I could cuddle.
Well, I'm
I win.
gonna cuddle with my stuffed
I'm
animals.
gonna cuddle with nothing.
I'm gonna cuddle with my boyfriend.
Shut up.
These are Rasta.
She's bragging about you.
Really?
You should hit her.
They're Rasta. I'm so proud of them and all their Rasta.
I'm Facebook status.
I'm so proud of all the Rasta colors. Finally, Milan is showing its true colors. Ta-da!
Bam!
I can't type, my fingers are
I
too
wish I
frozen.
was still high for this. Oh my god, this would be amazing. Oh my god, I want to be on acid. Don't you?
Yeah.
Acid.
No, not really.
It's amazing. I want to be on it. Watching this.
If people are right up close to that, don't you think they would like catch on fire?
Yeah, they have before.
Sucks for them.
Yeah, I'm fairly certain that boat is still on fire. There's so much smoke. Oh my god.
We should
It's
have
like
went.
we finally got rid of some of the clouds.
Last year I went over the train tracks.
That's what we should have done. We should
That's
have
what I
gone
was
on the
just.
train track.
That's what I was just about to say.
I did last year and the year
Oh,
before.
that's what we need to do next year, babies. We need to go across there on the train tracks.
They're not that good from there though. There's trees and shit that get in the way. Ooh, that's bad.
I don't think
See
they'd
that
be in
guy
the way
running?
for that.
Yeah, that's pretty high up in the air. But you wouldn't see it as
You
good
see that
because
on
the
the
fireworks are meant to.
Yeah.
Alex, you wouldn't see it as good because the fireworks are meant to come this way, not that way.
Yeah, I know.
So you would just see, like, color.
Have you ever watched fireworks in the back of a boat before?
No, I have
It
not.
was amazing. I watched fireworks twice in the back of a boat.
They should do a Playboy bunny.
Yeah. Or like a fucking leaf.
They should.
They should do a leaf.
A leaf, a
A
pot
pot
leaf.
leaf for all the Rasta.
That would be pretty badass,
That'd
actually.
be fucking sweet.
Go stoners! Woo!
So.
I want to see this on this.
No,
That looks amazing.
And I can edit these into pictures on my thing. Look, pow. Bam. I love.
Everyone's like rubbing their boyfriends in my faces. I fucking hate it. It's not right.
I know, right? You should be like.
Hey, but Shayla, since when do I get in a relationship?
When do you not? That's a better question.
What?
You said when do you not? That's a better question. Doesn't matter what
I
kind of
never-
relationship it is.
Shut up.
Yeah, exactly. Suck my dick.
Oh, God. I'd watch that every night.
Put this on my Facebook. put the 20-second one on there too. Just do it.
I have a video of the fireworks while she's talking about smoking a bowl.
Go stoners.
I hate when people go, ooh. I know, that's so annoying. It's like you're so retarded.
I like that one.
I like it too. It's like bam, bam, motherfucker.
Yeah.
I love that bird.
That's a bat.
That's a
What do I do?
That was a bat. Didn't you see the thing spluttering?
that's a bat. I love
That
bats.
was a bat.
Bats are sexy.
I get bats in my house. They are not fun. They are scary. Especially when they hit you in the head.
I like that. Those are my favorite.
What?
Those right there.
That was a duck?
I like the
I thought it was a fucking bat the way it
That was a duck.
flapping.
That was a duck, actually. I like that one. I like that one. I like that one.
I like that one.
There's my beautiful Rasta.
That was badass.
I like the purple and blue ones.
I love how it's falling Rasta, and then it's like.
I know.
They had the Rasta colors burn up.
Look at it.
Do you know how much money this has to cost?
A lot.
A lot.
Like the fair alone cost a lot.
They don't charge them anything.
Oh. It was a condom and what thing went right through it. That.
Rasta. We're doing some Rasta.
Wait till the one blows up so you can do it, so you can see you. Wait, we need a white one. Ow. Right.
I blow you kisses.
I like that circular one.
I do too. Rasta. Oh, that one landed.
Yay, I love this part.
I feel like the grand finale is gonna be fucking huge this year.
The grand finale. Wait, what did you just say?
So I feel it's gonna be huge this year.
Yeah.
I need to finish with the Rasta one.
That'd be so cool. That was badass.
Exploding colors.
God. Is it over?
I don't think so.
I hope not.
It shouldn't be. It's like the lighting. We should have like announce. It's over.
Hey, guess what?
It's over.
It's like 10 minutes has passed. Hey, guess what, you guys? It's been over for like 10 minutes.
They do that.
Really?
Yeah.
Everybody's leaving, so I think it's over.
What? Oh, okay.